Hey, I'd like to show you how to install the OpenResty X-Ray agent on CentOS 8 via RPM packages. Let's log in. Enter your account name. Type in the password. Click on Sign In. Click on Go to Console. It'll take you to the guide for the agent installation. Let me show you how to install via the RPM packages. First, choose the operating system. It's CentOS in this case. Select the CentOS 8-inch version as the operating system. Choose the network installation. Make sure your machine can access the internet. If your curl command is not available, you can install it with this command. You can also upgrade the CA certificates package to the latest version with this command. This is the agent installation command. Click this icon to copy the command. On the terminal, paste what we just copied. Run this command to install the agent. This can take a bit depending on your network latency. Please be patient. The installation command completed successfully. Let's go back to the console. This command can check the status of the agent service. Click to copy. Paste and execute this command to check the status. We can see it's running normally. We can also check error log messages with this command. Let's copy it. Paste and run this command to check the error logs. Great. No error messages at all. Let's go back to the wizard page. This allows you to configure whether the current machine is in a production environment. The system tries to minimize performance impact to production environments for analyses. But it may also take longer to get results. Let's detect running applications. These are the applications automatically detected. If you need to add new application to detect, you can customize the configuration. You can type in the new application name. Select the type of application. You can select the process corresponding to the new application from the list in here. Click to initiate analyzers. The analyzers just started running. Click on Traffic and Load. The system has detected there's sufficient traffic and load on the machine. It can only conduct meaningful analysis when the target application has traffic and load. Let's enter the console dashboard. Go to the Insights page. Wait for the first analysis report since the agent was just installed. You can watch the progress in real time. Go to the dashboard page. Here we can see some graphical charts and diagrams of the applications. We can see various different kinds of flame graphs for the Go application. Flame graphs for the OpenResty application. Flame graphs for the Python application. To install another agent, just click here. It's still the same step as we did earlier, to install the agent on CentOS 8 using the RPM packages. If you need to install on other operating systems, or use installation methods like containers, just click here. We're back to the wizard page we saw previously, where we can choose different installation options or operating systems. OpenResty X-Ray is a non-invasive diagnostic system based on our own dynamic tracing technology. It can monitor and scan the performance problems, behavioral issues, and security vulnerabilities in real time. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.